my channel and you are watching the property.
In this video, we'll try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
If you talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen is resident ID and check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various new plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you may subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.